When you find out the A7S3 comes out, when you find out it's $5,000.
Alright, what up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Light Chasers. Actually, this is the first episode. We got the boy Antoine here. We got Igor across the street.
No light streak is safe from that, man.
Secondly, yeah, I think Tony Hawk skated this in some movie. Yo, you tray flip down it, eh? I saw that.
Yo. Let's go right there. I'm gonna ollie that set. Over here.
Well, let's do this first because the light is like this. Yeah.
Oh! Yo, the light is crazy here though.
Yeah, I know, it's like orange.
Like, look at it, look at this one just beaming at me.
No, it's not that orange light.
From there and there.
Ants is about to ollie the set. Igor's working on the lighting.
Yo, is that a 3-chip?
Nah, it's CMOS, yo.
Oh, okay, we're...
Do it again. It's done.
There's a bit of light right there. Igor's gonna get this shot. Wait, are you a professional skate stuntman?
Oh, you're a fake push veteran like myself. It just comes naturally, to be honest. So I've been practicing, check it out.
Oh, that's your push technique? Oh, that's your switch push. Uh-oh, the big boy. We got the big boy coming out. Yo, is that what you vlog with?
Yeah. That's a handle too.
Oh, that's a handle. Yo, that's pretty convenient. Wow, look at that. Holy shit.
Because they can cross the street like this. I don't even feel like going that far, bro. That's so far away. Look at where he wants me to go, bro.
All the way over there, yeah.
It's walking, bro, where the fucking blue sign is.
Oh yeah, whoa, so artsy, dude.
That's so funny.
Yo, what did we just find?
So we just found one. This is the rare, super rare
light leak?
It's actually a 6 ball.
Yeah, right? guys, as you can see, the light is gone, which means that Igor is retired from photography right now, you know?
For tonight.
This guy retires from sunset till sunrise, yo. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.